Hi, this is Jordan from E.C.D, and today we're going to talk about the grills that we offer here at the shop. This is our classic style grill. You'll find them on all Defenders. They can be painted to match, body color or gloss black. We have a multitude of colors, anything that you really want. This is on the extended AC grill, which we offer with all our GM packages so that we have room for our AC system. These are our standard grill. They offer a lot of airflow and they allow the engine to cool efficiently and effectively for this style setup. You can put it in any pattern you want, and we can also color match your lower grills to fit. Over here we have our Adventure grill. Our Adventure grills are another option we offer. We offer them in a body color match or gloss black, and then with a recessed mesh grill behind it for protection. These offer a lot of airflow. They do come with the option for the Land Rover badge and the same lower grill and vent. These offer some of the best airflow for our GM packages. Over here we offer our Zun Sport grill. This is our highest flowing grill. This one's going to offer for the high performance engines, our LT1s, our LT4s, the maximum amount of airflow across our aluminum radiators that we offer, and they can be also color matched to fit any style that you want, anything that a customer desires. For a little different look, we also offer all of KBX's lines of grills. This offers high airflow and color match options. It comes with a matching set of headlight surrounds so that they can be matched to the body, or you can leave them just the original black, satin black, gloss black, anything that you'd like. This is our Con front end setup. This is our largest setup. It's the most involved also with installation. This one's normally color matched and two-tone, but we can also do it in a single color if you'd like. This one has options for high airflow with color matched grill. We can paint the grill the grill insert to anything that you'd like. This one incorporates the grill and the headlight surrounds with your lighting options, and it gives a more matched look to our wide body trucks. We also offer the Heritage grill, which gives customers the option and chance to have the more series Defender look to the front end of their trucks. It offers high airflow. It's color matched option available. We can paint it anything that you'd like, and makes it look like the 60s style Defenders that we offer also at E.C.D. For fit up on our grills, we have a multitude of means of doing it, mostly all stainless steel hardware to protect and have the most longevity out of our mounting. We also use a rivet style for mounting our small mesh grills so that they match the grill itself. Fit up to the truck itself is done by measuring the outside of the grill. Once we have the outside dimension, we match our wings. Once our wings are in the correct position and shimmed, then we can place the grill in and fit it up to have the tightest and cleanest fit possible. So here I'm installing the rivets that hold our lower grill in. We use a black color matched rivet to give the best aesthetic appearance while we assemble all our grill pieces. We found that these rivets work the best and they give the best look overall and finish. Also help with clearancing and fitting when we have customers that like winch bumpers or any kind of front end accessories that could possibly be any fitment issue. These grills can also be color matched to the body of the vehicle or any other color to go with the design of your truck. So once we've installed our slam panel and gotten our wings set up, we'll take measurements and shim our wings left to right to make sure that we have the correct clearance on our grills. And as soon as I've completed that, then I can present the grill up to the truck for final fit up and installation, and the front end assembly of your vehicle will be complete.